this is Musicology downtown Burlington. We specialize in guitar. That's what I do. It's my expertise, but we try to accommodate all musicians too. Oh, guitar, ukulele, voice training, drums, piano, violin, viola, stand-up bass, cello, trumpet, clarinet, trombone. Yeah, there's a lot I'm leaving out, I'm sure. Harmonica, accordion even. So yeah, we have most major stuff. Anything from bluegrass to heavy rock, all over the place. Classical, we have one lady that's taking beginning piano lessons. She wants to learn classical, so we're going to ease into that. It's up to the teacher really, but our teachers are pretty versatile, so whatever direction you want to go, we can get you there. Beginners, we have tons of them in every age. For guitar, we have 7-year-olds all the way up to retirees. So it's all over the place, and there's no judgment here. It's a very open atmosphere and friendly. As far as experts, we do have some expert teachers as well. If you want to get really into it, we could steer you in the right direction with a different teacher, or you could change teachers. You know, you're not set to one guy, for one person forever.
Hello everybody, I'm Todd Green. I'm an instructor here at Musicology, and I have something called Todd Green Music Studios, which I've had for many years, and I teach 50 people a week how to play a multitude of different instruments. And right now it's an exciting time because we're implementing the group lessons, or ensembles as we call them. And it is an opportunity for people of all ages to get together and play in a band with charts and with recorded music and in a studio environment, so we can really get good really fast. And it doesn't matter what age you are, you can come here and learn to play an instrument, and it's a lot of fun. You can play in a band, that's even more fun, and it doesn't matter how old you are. What matters is the proficiency level. So you might be a 60-year-old guy that just started learning how to play guitar yesterday, and you might be grouped with a 10-year-old girl who will absolutely bury you. And that's how we make the ensembles. It's really fun. Anyway, so I look forward to seeing you and hearing from you. Return to me, oh my dear, I'm so lonely. Hurry back to my love, to my lips, my heart. Return to me.
I'll do guitar setups here. I'll do work on amps. I'm building a custom-made tube amp right now, old school tube amp. I've got a big jig that I can bring out here and strap your guitar down and do fretwork on. It's pretty involved. But I like to do it right out here in the open so people can kind of see what I'm working on and ask questions. You know, that's what I'm hoping for. And it does happen quite a bit.